Presenting the 2010 Holden Commodore.
This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you.
A powerful engine will meet your need for speed
That responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control.
Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination.
And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included.
Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.